Hello students, today we are going to do root 9.3 on number line. So first of all, draw a straight line and put a dot as point A. From here, take 9.3 centimeters a point and 10.3 centimeters, 1 centimeter extra, another point. Now this is point B and this is point C. Now A to B is 9.3 and B to C is 1 centimeter. A to C is 10.3, total 10.3, this line segment. Now take AC as a line segment and take above half distances on both the sides. From A we have, now we have two intersecting points are here. This is a point and here we have another point. Now actually we can create a perpendicular bisector. That means A and C exactly divisible, that means divided into two parts, and we have a line that is a perpendicular line. But here we need a bisecting point. This is the center of A and C. Now just call it as a D. Now D as a center, D to A and D to C, check it. Now they are exactly same distance. Draw a semicircle, AC semicircle with the center D. Now take set square. From B exactly perpendicular to the semicircle. Now here we have to check again and again. There should not be any less than 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees exactly on the line, because the measurements will get proper distance on number line. From B to this semicircle, this is a semicircle, B to this semicircle, draw a line. Draw a line. Now measure this distance. How much distance it is? With the distance as a radius, draw a semicircle to the number line. And this distance should be 3.1 centimeter approximately. Okay, Now exactly 3.1 you can see this. Therefore, now actual origin of the number line is B. This is 1. This is 0. C is 1 centimeter. Now you can mark 2 centimeters. You can mark 3 centimeters. You can mark 4 and so on, as it is a number line. In the same way you can mark negative integers also, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. They are all equally distance. This is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4 centimeters, -5 centimeters. Here 1 centimeter, C is 1 centimeter. Here 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeter. Now this point where I am crossing this point is the root 9.1 on number line. That's all. I will repeat. Draw a straight line first. Point A here, just you can choose a point. From A to B, 9.3. From here, C is there, that is 1 centimeter away from B. So total distance is 10.3 centimeters. And take above half distances from A to top and bottom, from C top and bottom, and create 2 points. Actually join those 2 points. They will pass through this line here. Now this is called D. D as a center, DA as a radius. Draw a semicircle. Now from B, draw a perpendicular line which should touch the semicircle here. Now how much distance is there? As this is a radius, just you can draw a semicircle. Of course it is not semicircle, it is a 1/4 of a circle. Now where it touches the number line, this distance is 9.3 on number line. Thank you.